This is my attempt at a rabbit hutch. Actually, it's gonna be three. Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the roof is gonna be angled down. Same here, I'm gonna have an angle so that the rabbit drop-ins will fall in a system that I'm gonna attempt to make. So it's my first time making a rabbit hutch. It's just gonna take me longer, that's all. I'll get it done. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for the rest. I got the frame for the roof on. I just have to put my, I don't know, galvanize something on top there. And these are not screwed in, but these are going to be the separate compartments, so it's going to be a 6. Also, the space in between there, I'll also be putting a roof that's going to be tilted down again, so when these rabbits on the top poo and pee, it will come down. Probably try and create a almost like a gutter, like, right? Swoop it in and just collect it at the end there for my garden, which is looking kind of beat up right now. I have been attempting to build this rabbit hutch, rabbit cage, rabbit home, and I was looking for 14 gauge. Turn this around. Oh. There we go. Supposed to be 14 gauge welded galvanized fence. I can't seem to find 14 gauge anywhere in the GTA Greater Toronto area or the Halton area. So I end up buying a 16 and I'm gonna install that. They make it look so easy on YouTube that you could find this stuff wherever, or you can't. At least I can't. So if you find this somewhere, 14 gauge, not 16, welded galvanized fence, hit me up, let me know. Okay, so this is it. So these are just temporary because I wanted to lay the wiring down first. So these are just sitting here, these are not screwed on, and then I'll go from there. Whoa, something just went funny with my phone. Laid the flooring. This is 16 gauge and it was difficult to work with, so I could just imagine a 14 gauge. So I'll cut off these edges at the back as well. Other than that, not bad. I'm getting excited to grow rabbits. Just gotta put the mesh through here, separation down here. That's it. That's it. Going on. Look, this is the progress with my rabbit hutch. Better angle from the sun. I got all the doors in. Still need to put wires on this side and the roof. Got my backing up on this level and nothing down there. But that's because I ran out of wire. But yeah, so this is what she's looking like. Oops, T. Nope, wrong direction. There we go. Yeah. This is my divider. This section, this piece is over there already. Just gonna cut this off. And at the back. Yeah, let's go all the way around. This is it on top. I'm gonna put I have exterior like a vapor barrier. I'm gonna put it on top and then put a like a plastic roofing on, like almost like a galvanized, but it's plastic. So that's about it. Done, ready to go. Next step. So my interior is done. The rabbits. So I decided to put the wires on the inside so they don't have wood to eat. So this one probably just at the door here that it has. And of course you come on this side because the wire is on the opposite side. There's wood here, but on this side I put the wire, and the same for this one. Wire is on the inside here, inside at the back, and of course here. I was really thinking of adding another piece, but that's just a waste, I guess. Anyways, I do have the extra wire, so we'll see how bored I am. And this is the roofing I'm just doing. I gotta cut this off. I'm gonna cut this off here. And at the back, I am gonna put something back there because I got raccoons and I know those buggers will definitely get in there somehow. So, and at the front here too, I'll put I guess this would be a fascia and east trough. Yeah, I'll put something up in there so that the raccoons don't get in there. This is leftover home wrap I had from a job that I did. So that's what I'll be putting on top of the roof, in addition to the plastic galvanized material once I get it. So I'll probably get that a little later today. Good morning, everyone. This is the progress where we're at. I put the PVC galvanize style roofing on, so this will collect the poos from these rabbit, falls on here and it will roll back down, and then they have their own shelter. See what she's looking like. On top, I still have this part here to screw down, but other than that, this is what she's looking like. And then I gotta peel this off right here. So that is it. Looking good. What do you think? Little update, guys. I did finish up the cage. Unfortunately, I did not get to film it. I also got my rabbits, as you could see. The blue that you see in the background is a tarp that I put over just to protect them from the elements, the wind, the cold, because when I got the rabbits, it was pretty windy. Then I also figured I'll keep it like that for the winter. And that's where we at for now. Little updates on my rabbits. How you guys doing? Say hello. Hey, if you got a name for this male rabbit, let me know. Alright, so name for the male rabbit. And over here I got two females. If you have a name for them, I'd like to hear it. Now, will I be able to tell them apart? No. Not yet. But I am gonna separate them at some point. These two females. Okay. Name for the male and name for the females. Alright? Okay, guys, don't forget to leave me a comment, hit that like button, and if you can also please subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated. Thank you.